Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Canva Code website. This dedicated platform is your go-to resource for all things related to integrating Canva's powerful design features into your own applications. Whether you are looking to embed the editor, automate design creation, or build custom apps, the Code website offers comprehensive documentation and tools. It is designed to help you unlock new possibilities and streamline your development process with ease. Navigating the Canva Developer Hub is straightforward, designed to get you to the information you need quickly. You will find clearly organized sections for documentation, API references, and software development kits. Use the intuitive search function to pinpoint specific topics or browse through categories like Getting Started or Authentication. This structure ensures that whether you are a seasoned developer or just beginning, you can efficiently access the resources necessary for your project. The Canva Code website offers several key features and tools to empower your development. You will find extensive API documentation, providing precise details for every endpoint, ensuring smooth integration. Official SDKs are available for popular programming languages, which can save you many hours of development time. Additionally, the site includes practical code examples and interactive playgrounds, allowing you to experiment with API calls and understand their functionality firsthand. To begin your integration journey, first create a developer account and secure your unique API key, which is essential for authentication. The website provides clear, step-by-step guides to help you set up your development environment and successfully make your very first API call. Remember, a vibrant community forum and dedicated support channels are available to assist you with any questions or challenges you might encounter along the way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.